Everybody, Missy here, Mountain Girl 80461. Today is Sunday, March 9th, 2025, and Louie Bear and myself, we are going to make some mountain pine tar salve, also known as Trementina. Louie, give us the scoop.
Hey there, it's Louie Bear 10469, and yeah, we are in northern Nevada today. It's beautiful and sunny. It's March 9th, and so this is what we need to make mountain pine tar salve or Trementina, right? We need pine tar, pine salve. I was able to find some of this on some pine trees in the Sierra Nevadas when I was hiking, and today we're going to use half a cup of that's what it looks like. This pine tar resin right from a tree. Smells like a pine tree. Missy has already melted a half a cup of olive oil and a half a cup of coconut oil in here, and we're gonna show you how we put this together. But these are the ingredients we need. Here's our quarter cup measuring cup. These are the pots and utensils we're going to use to melt and pull all the materials together. Beeswax will help all the oils come together and form more of a salve than a liquid. And these are some essential oils. We have vanilla and we have lemongrass that we're going to add as we cook, so the salve has an aroma on top of the already nice aroma of the pine tree. And then these are some metal containers and glass containers that we're going to use today. We're going to end up pouring the finished product in here and then letting it set, and it'll be a salve in a couple of hours. So we'll come back when we start our fire, and we're going to do this on a wood fire today, and we'll show you step by step how to make pine tar salve. We'll be back.
All right, we'll be right back. Peace. Hey everybody, Missy here again, Mountain Girl 80461. We're gonna rev up this campfire here. We have some wood shavings and we have some kindling. And so it's really important for the mountain pine tar salve to be melted down so that you can have the proper consistency. So make sure you have a really hot fire. We're gonna light her up. Check it out. All right, Louie Bear, we will be back here shortly. Stay tuned. All right, check it out, everyone. This fire is pretty hot, so safety first. Make sure you have a glove. And we're gonna put this pot on here for our double boiler. And make sure you don't burn your handle, so you wanna keep it maybe off to the edge here. And just a reminder, if you like our channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below.
We'll be back. Hey, it's Lou, we're back. So our water's on the fire and it is heating up, and the object is to take these pine tar chunks and put it in the double boiler and allow it to melt. It's going to take a while. After it starts to melt a little, we'll start to stir it, and we will come back and show you what that looks like. Hey, it's Lou again. We're back. Our fire is really hot. We have the salve in a mason jar with the holes popped out on the top. And pine tar is very hard to melt. So it's very important to have a good fire and to have the water rolling and boiling. Now, we took on the challenge of using a campfire. This can be done indoors with a gas flame, and it's a lot smoother. But we decided to get an outdoor touch to it, so we need to keep this fire hot. Once this pine tar melts, we can make the salve pretty quickly. So once it's melted, we'll turn the camera back on and we'll show you what we do. And this is what it looks like. The pine tar is in that jar, and it is getting hot in there. So we'll get back to you when it melts. Over and out. So we have the pot over the fire, and the object is to stir the salve and the impurities ball up eventually. And I'm hoping they ball up real soon because this fire is hot. Oh, I'm stirring it up. Hey, hi, it's Lou. So we have the melted pine tar in the pot. We've poured the coconut oil and the olive oil in the pot and the beeswax, and then the object is to stir it and the impurities start to come out and ball up. And we've gotten some of it out already, and I think we're ready to pour it through a strainer and hope for the best. So we'll show you that process in a minute, and we'll come right back. Hey, it's Lou. We have the melted resin with the coconut oil and the olive oil and the beeswax, and now we're gonna put it through a final strain into the jar. Look at that golden salve. Look at that stuff, man. And so the pot has impurities, the strainer has impurities, but the salve doesn't have impurities. And next, we're gonna pour this into our containers, and we're gonna add some essence to it, and we're gonna let it dry. We'll be back.
Hey everybody, Missy here. Hey, we have our vessels here. We have some that are aluminum and we have some glass. And we're gonna put a little bit of a splash of lemongrass and a splash of vanilla into our resin. And so, like I said, just a quick splash. You can use the lid here to measure. So quick little splash. And we're gonna do a splash. Oh, and just eyeball it. You don't have to use the whole lid or whatever you want to do. However much essence you want. And then I have a stir stick here, which is just a shish kebab stick. And we're just gonna mix it up. And you want to be doing this before it starts to solidify. As you can see on the edge of the jar, it's already starting to settle. So mix it up, and this stuff is beautiful. It's gonna makes your hands super soft, and see, it's very therapeutic, and you can put it on your hands, dry hands.
And it's no longer sticky, huh?
And it's no longer sticky.
Wow.
And it's absolutely beautiful, and it'll settle up later. So you want to make sure, safety first, the jar's going to be hot. You can use these tongs and put a paper towel or whatever on the bottom. And then you want to just pour gently into your jar. And you can see it's just golden and glistens, and it's absolutely beautiful. And fill it up. And the resin doesn't expand or anything. It's just in liquid form. And you can go as high or low in your jar. And Lou and I eyeballed this, and it looks like we did a really fantastic job. And we filled 3 jars perfectly. And then all you have to do is let it settle. Since we're doing this outside, we want to put the lids on so that
Loosely so
that little bugs don't get into it, crawl in there. And we're just gonna let it set, and then we'll come back later. But that's the end. And if you like what we did today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and look forward to take 2. All right, peace.
Over and out.